Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can 1v1 your friend in CS2 or Counter-Strike. So in order to do this procedure, you have to follow the steps. To start playing a 1v1 match in Counter-Strike 2, you just have to follow the steps. Now, first thing, you have to go to enable the developer console. So go to the settings and then game. After that, go to game and use the self-explanatory options there. Once you've done that, start your private matchmaking. There is the menu tab specially for this. You can invite a friend by sharing your unique code so you can both be a private lobby. And alternative step is to create your private 1v1 server. If you will need to check your server IP with the console command status, and your friend should use the command connect IP address to join your server. Once you've done that, remove the bolt from your game, use the console back boot underscore kick, then use the section of console command to customize your 1v1 playing experiences. After that, you can enjoy your 1v1 in Counter-Strike 2. Now it is easy as pie. Now still we can highlight in the face possibilities on how to 1v1 in CS2. Now they're connected to settings up and private server, selecting a map and adjusting the player environment. The details of these options are to be following. That's basically how you can connect 1v1 your friend in CS5. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.